class 4. Today we will just revise all the book exercise and you have to just verify all the work you have done from chapter 1 to 3. Okay, in this video I'll just tell you all the answers. No explanation will be there. I'll just tell you the answers of the book exercise. So it's your first chapter, I think. Was that Plant Kingdom actually? Okay, it's Plant Kingdom, the first exercise. Now we just moving to the questions of this chapter. Here we have. Okay, children, remember to use let's revise always. Always read it when you have finished the chapter. Okay, now first question, objective types. Which part of these is a part of leaf? Now it's only veins. Next, B. In the leaves, this absorbs the sunlight, chlorophyll. The extra food not used by a plant is stored as starch. Plants are also called by this name. Plants are called producers because they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and they are not depend on other creatures for that. Now, fill in the blanks. The thick vein in the middle of the leaf is midrib. B. All living things. Extra food. Green plants make food in their bodies. Next, a food chain always begin with a plant. Next, now we have to just rewrite them. Leaves are green because they have chlorophyll, not glucose. B. Animals produce carbon dioxide. The food made by plants is a sugar called glucose. A food chain always begin with a plant. Children, if you see this video, frequently if you see this video, there is already you can revise all the things. Okay, when you see this video, okay, you just revise, and revision should also be there. Take the odd one out. Now we have flower, stalk, leaf, blade and vein. Now we have to just know that parts of leaves. How many are the parts of leaf? Stalk, leaf, blade and vein. These are the parts of leaf. But flower is not a part of leaf. So it's odd one. Flower. B. Seed. Because it doesn't help in the photosynthesis. C. Oxygen. Because it is oxygen doesn't required in the photosynthesis process because it evolves out ना. ऑक्सीजन नहीं चाहिए होती है, ऑक्सीजन तो उससे बाहर निकलती है जब photosynthesis complete हो जाता है. Now give one word answer. This help to attach the leaf to the stem, stalk. Leaves are green because they have this substance, chlorophyll, the process by which plants make food, photosynthesis. The part of plant on which leaves grow, stem. Complete this. This is the equation given to us, and that's about photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll are also needed in the photosynthesis. Now glucose, oxygen and water vapor. Now subjective types of question. Let me explain them to you. Okay, sir has already written. Name the different parts of leaf, and the answer is staff, leaf blade, midrib and vein. Give two examples of food chain. Okay, grass, rabbit eat grass and then eagle eats rabbit. Grains, grains को rat खा लेता है, then rat को snake and snake को eagle. Okay. Third, what does a food chain show? A food chain shows us how living things depend on one another. Okay, dependence show करता है. Define photosynthesis. Photo का मतलब होता है light. ठीक है, ये हमें याद रखना है. तो फोटोसिंथेसिस है मतलब लाइट चाहिए. लाइट किसकी चाहिए? सनलाइट की. सो फोटोसिंथेसिस इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच ग्रीन लीव्स मेक फूड बाय using carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Chlorophyll is the green substance in leaves that help them in the process of photosynthesis. Plants produce food in their green leaves, so they are known as producers. So children, this is your work. Okay, pause the video and just check your all the answers. Now next we have the long questions. Write in short how plants use their food. Plants use their food in the following ways. To grow करने के लिए. The prepared food is used to grow and to produce flowers, fruits and to produce more leaves. to repair. The prepared food is used to repair itself if they broken off. To store, the extra food is stored as a starch. Children, you just learn these points: to grow, to repair, to store. Okay, if the question is short. Next, draw a well-labeled diagram of photosynthesis. You can draw it from your book. Briefly describe the different parts of a leaf. Now, leaf blade, stalk, veins. Children, if you download the magnifier app and you just see a leaf in that app, you can just be able to find out each of these parts in that magnifier app. Okay, do that when you have enough time. Okay, leaf blade, it is the flat part of the leaf. Stalk, it helps a leaf to attach to the stem. Veins, these are the fine lines seen on the leaf blade. Now, midrib, the thick vein in the middle is called midrib. These questions. Okay, now turning to the next page. Okay, now the next chapter, chapter 2, and that's plants habitat. Now, moving to the objective questions of this chapter. Here we have, and they refers to page number 21 of your book. Which of these is an evergreen tree? It's rubber. This is a feature of plant growing in the mountains. Needles like leaves. Okay. It is the largest flower on the earth. Rafflesia. Rafflesia सबसे बड़ा वाला फूल होता है. ये देखो ये वाला. This is Rafflesia. Okay. The plant grows in marshy areas. Mangrove plants. Marshy मतलब जहाँ पे दलदल होता है, कीचड़ होता है ज़्यादा. Now moving to the next. Okay, we have matched the column, and here is EDCAB. Okay, A, deserts. We have prickly pear. Mountains, pine tree. Underwater, pondweed. Plains, coconut tree. Floating in water, water hyacinth. Next, rewrite these sentences correctly. Special features that help plant to survive in the is called adaptation. Plants that eat insects are called insectivorous. Insect खाते हैं, insectivorous. C. Mangrove trees have breathing roots that grow outside the soil. सांस लेती है mangrove trees की roots. अरे बाप रे, गजब. Fixed. Plants that have their roots fixed to the bottom of the water body. Now, moving to the odd one out. इनमें से हमें एक odd अलग करना होता है. जो एक हमें hint दिया है उसी ग्रुप के सारे होने चाहिए. Just terrestrial habitat. Plains, desert, mountain. Pond नहीं आते इनमें, ठीक है, because pond is a aquatic. Aquatic plants, cactus, duckweed, pondweed, lotus, ये सारे पानी में उगने वाले. अच्छा, aqua का मतलब होता है पानी, ठीक है, and cactus जो है desert में होता है. Now next, hint, trees that grow in plains. It's rubber, coconut and mango. Pine is not there. Now, features of desert. Lots of rain, dry, sandy, few plants. लो desert में कभी भी rain नहीं होती है, बहुत ही कम होती है ना. Water lily, tape, grass, broad leaves, wax coating, ये सब aquatic plants के features है. लेकिन इसमें से tape grass ये इसका feature नहीं है. Now, that's interesting one. Give one word. Plants trap insect, insectivorous, non-green plants, parasitic plant. ना parasites जैसे होते हैं. Plants that shed all their leaves once in a year, deciduous. Plants with a breathing root that grow outside to take in air, mangrove. Now, we just moving to the subjective type of questions. Here we have. Okay, the answers are marked in the previous pages. Just see. Name terrestrial habitat, plains, desert and mountains. Name a parasitic and insectivorous plant. Now, mushroom is a parasitic plant, mushrooms. And picture plant, it's insectivorous. See, how is wax coating on the leaves useful for lotus? Now it's turning to page number 19. We have, where is it? Let's see. It's on the 19th page. Okay, here is the answer. The leaves of lotus plants have wax coating that stop them from rotting in water. Okay, so it is your answer. Now children, turning again to the next question. What was that? Why do you understand by the plants that are fixed at the bottom? It's page 18 again. Okay, plants have their roots fixed at the bottom of the water body such as ponds are called fixed plants. ठीक है, these plants are found in places where water is not very deep. Lotus and water lily are the examples of these plants. ये देखो, ये ना बहुत नीचे तक फिक्स होते हैं पानी के अंदर. Okay. Now define the following adaptation and aquatic plants. Where we have this page 21 we have. Okay, here is the answer. Let's revise में मिल गया हमें. Is the first answer adaptations and aquatic plants. Aqua मतलब पानी होता है बेटा, तो इससे आप याद रखिए जो भी पानी में उगते हैं प्लांट वो aquatic होते हैं. Now moving to the give reasons. These are the long questions we have. Okay. Now here we have give reason. Parasitic plants depend on other plants for food. Parasitic plants do not have chlorophyll. उनके अंदर ये हरा वाला पिगमेंट नहीं होता है क्लोरोफिल. And they are not able to prepare their own food. इसलिए वो अपना खाना नहीं बना सकते हैं, तो इसलिए वो डिपेंड होते हैं दूसरे पे, इसलिए इनको कहते हैं पैरासाइट. पैरासिटिक. क्लोरोफिल, रिमेंबर दे डोंट हैव क्लोरोफिल. क्लोरोफिल ग्रीन कलर का पिगमेंट. बी मैंग्रोव ट्रीज हैव ब्रीथिंग रूट्स. अरे बाप रे, इससे तो मुझे भी डर लग रहा है. मैंग्रोव ट्रीज हैव ब्रीथिंग रूट्स बिकॉज द रूट्स आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो वेल. रूट्स जो है अच्छी तरह ग्रो नहीं कर पाती है अंडर द सॉइल, सो दे ग्रो आउटसाइड टू ब्रीथ. इसलिए वो सांस लेने के लिए बाहर आ जाते हैं. डरावना है. नेक्स्ट, plants growing on the mountains have needle-like leaves. Plants growing on mountains have needle-like leaves. पूरी सुई जैसी होती है leaves. So that snow can easily slide off without breaking their branches. ताकि उन पे जो बर्फ़ कभी गिर जाती है ना, स्नोफॉल होती है ना, तो वो easily स्लिप करके निकल जाती है ना, और उनकी ब्रांचेस टूटती भी नहीं है. Fixed aquatic plants have stomata on the upper surface of the leaves. Now fixed aquatic plants have stomata on the surface of leaves. This allows the upper surface to take in air for photosynthesis. अच्छा, upper surface पे आ जाता है ताकि वो photosynthesis complete कर पाए, क्योंकि उनमें stomata होता है ना. Now the next question we have. Long answer question. How are plants useful to us? Plants तो useful है ही भाई. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Just see. Okay. We get oxygen from plants, fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, oils and species all are part of. We use timber for making furniture, home, etc. from plants. ये etc को etc पढ़ते हैं हम. We get rubber from plants. Jute and coir are also plant producers. Perfumes, shampoos, dyes are also produced from plant product. Very much useful to us. Differentiate between deciduous and evergreen trees. Now deciduous, evergreen का मतलब क्या होता है? हमेशा हरे. Deciduous trees, some trees grow in plains where there is less rainfall once a year. Such trees are called deciduous forest. Neem tree and gulmohar. Now evergreen कौन से होते हैं? जो हमेशा हरे रहते हैं. बहुत ईजी है. तो some trees grow in plains where there is a lot of rainfall. जहाँ rainfall ज़्यादा होती है. These plants do not shed their leaves. Leaves कभी नहीं गिरती, yellow भी नहीं होती. Such trees are called evergreen. Examples: rubber tree and coconut. Write two adaptations shown by plants growing in the desert habitat. Plants growing in the deserts show following adaptation. The leaves are reduced to form spines. अच्छा, ये जो leaves होती हैं डेजर्ट प्लांट्स की, उनमें ना, जैसे आपने कैक्टस देखा है, कैक्टस में क्या होता है, ये ऐसे एक इस तरह से लीव जो होती है ना, लीव नहीं होती है, वो स्टेम होती है और उसमें ऐसे स्पाइंस की तरह, कांटों की तरह होते हैं. ठीक है. From spines it helps them to reduce water loss through the leaves. The stem of desert plants are green. देखो ये होती है ना, ये स्टेम होती है उनकी, कैक्टस की. आपने देखा हो कैक्टस कैसा होता है, ऐसे होता है ना, इन दिस वे. एंड द स्पाइन्स, ये जो कांटे हैं ना, ये उनकी लीफ होते हैं. The stem of desert plants are green and photosynthesis takes place there. तो डेजर्ट प्लांट्स में फोटोसिंथेसिस कहाँ होता है, स्टेम में, और बाकी सारे ग्रीन प्लांट्स में होता है लीव्स में. Write a few sentences on plants that live in marshy and salty areas. Some plants like mangrove trees live in marshy and salty areas. The soil here has a lot of salt in them. In these trees, the roots are not able to grow well under the soil. So they grow outside to breathe. Okay, now I think you get my point. बेटा आप इस वीडियो को आप 2-3 बार देखेंगे ना, तो you learned everything from that. Compare adaptation of plants that grow underwater and plants that float. कुछ प्लांट पानी के अंदर होते हैं और कुछ बाहर फ्लोट करते हैं. तो अंडर वाटर पानी के नीचे, प्लांट्स दैट फ्लोट, और जो फ्लोट करते हैं तैरते हैं. Now underwater have soft and spongy stems so that they are light and can float. आराम से फ्लोट कर सकते हैं, लाइट होते हैं ना, हल्के होते हैं. The roots of these plants are not fixed but float in the water. Roots fixed नहीं होती, आराम से फ्लोट करती रहती है, तैरती रहती है. Now they have long and thin leaves so that water can flow through them without tearing them. The leaves of these plants do not have stomata, so it breathes through its entire body. Okay, now as the question answers are over, now we're moving to the next chapter, and that's animal kingdom, sorry. And we just move to its book exercise. Now it's chapter 3. Human belongs to this group of animals, mammals. Humans are mammals. Next, they have 3 pairs of legs in insects. These are not cold-blooded animals, mammals. Cold-blooded कौन होते हैं, जिनको जल्दी गुस्सा आता है. It has feet shaped like paddles. Paddles जैसी जो swimmers use करते हैं ना, paddles, तो tortoise की feet होती है. Now moving to the match the column. Fish have gills to breathe. Okay, fish का जो ये structure होता है ना, in this way we just make this fish ना, ये जो ये इस तरह से होते हैं ना, इनको बोलते हैं gills. Okay, ये इससे सांस लेते हैं, जैसे हम लोग nose से लेते हैं ना, ये लोग gills से सांस लेते हैं. Amphibians live on land and water. Birds have a light body and fly in the sky. उनकी बॉडी बहुत लाइट होती है, बोन्स बहुत लाइट होती हैं बर्ड्स की, इसलिए वो उड़ पाती हैं. Mammals body covered with hair, fur. Reptiles, okay, reptiles have hard dry scales on body. reptiles की बॉडी पे स्केल्स होती है, जैसे आपने देखा होगा क्रोकोडाइल होता है, उसकी बॉडी पे यूँ बैक साइड में अगर हम देखें तो ये इस तरह से स्केल्स होती हैं ना. ओके, नाउ these are the names: birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians. Penguins use flippers to swim on land. Fish move with the help of fins and tails. Insects have 3 pairs of legs. Earthworms breathe through skin. Not the lungs, it's skin. Skin से breathe करते, सब जगह से सांस लेते हैं. Funny and fill in the blanks. Birds have air sac for respiration. Spiders, crabs, jellyfish, insects and worms are called invertebrates. Okay, it's actually page number 30, class 4. Okay, a snake uses its body muscles and scales to move. Ostrich have strong and powerful legs. Snake, they give one word answer. They have strong and sharp front teeth to tear flesh. Carnivores, ये आपको जब मैंने teeth का structure बताया था ना, we have these incisors and then we have canines. ये जो sharpened teeth होते हैं ना, ये canines है ना. ये जो है ना, ये कार्निवोरस में थोड़े से शार्प होते हैं, इस तरह से होते हैं, है ना. ये कार्निवर्स में, so that they can tear the flesh. Okay. They live on or inside other organism, parasites. They can breathe through lungs as well as through skin. Amphibians. Their body temperature remain constant. Deposit changes in the temperature of their surroundings. Warm-blooded animals. Now we're moving to the questions. These are the questions we have, and here we have the answers. Animal kingdom. Which bird uses flippers to swim? Penguins. Name any two birds that cannot fly. Ostrich and kiwi. They cannot fly. Why do amphibians lay their eggs? Amphibians lay their eggs in water. Okay, where is it here? How do earthworms breathe? Earthworms breathe with their skin. पूरी skin से सांस लेता है. Why do animals move from one place to another? Animals move from one place to another to find food, shelter or to escape from their enemies. अच्छा, दुश्मनों से बचने के लिए, food और shelter के लिए वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे move करते हैं. Which group of animals do insects and worms belong to? They are invertebrates. Now, long answer. Write in brief about the movement in the reptiles. Reptiles कौन से होते हैं? जो रेंगते हैं, छिपकली है, सांप है, crocodile है, ये सब reptiles होते हैं. Such as lizards and crocodile use their 4 short limbs to crawl on the ground. Crawl करते हैं. A snake uses its body muscles and स्केल्स टू मूव. स्नेक की जो ये बॉडी होती है ना, इस तरह से, ओके, ये होता है ना, ये मूव कैसे करता है? ये जो स्केल्स है ना, ये छोटी बड़ी अंदर अंदर एक के अंदर एक घुसती रहती है स्केल्स, और ये ऐसे चलता है. ये देखो, ये इन दिस वे. ओके ओके. टॉर्टोइज हैव फीट शेप्ड लाइक पैडल्स फॉर मूवमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ डू फिश ब्रीथ अंडर वाटर? अच्छा, सांस कैसे लेती है? फिश हैव गिल्स टू ब्रीथ अंडर वाटर. अ फिश टेक्स इन वाटर थ्रू द माउथ. द ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर इज एब्जॉर्ब. अच्छा, मुंह से ना पानी अंदर खींच लेती है फिश, ठीक है ना. ये फिश है और ये फिश का मुंह, इससे पानी अंदर जाता है, वाटर, ठीक है, वाटर जाता है अंदर. अब वाटर में जो ऑक्सीजन है वो यहाँ पे ये गिल्स होते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे इस तरह से, ये गिल्स हैं, ठीक है. ओके. द ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड इनटू ब्लड बाय ब्लड वेसल्स इन द गिल्स. द वाटर देन passes out through the gills. Okay. Now C. Write in brief about the animals group based on their feeding habitat. Animals can be divided into carnivore, herbivore, omnivore and scavengers and parasite. ओहो, इतने सारे होते हैं ग्रुप्स. Herbivorous animals who eat plants are called herbivorous. प्लांट खाने वाले herbivores. Herbs प्लांट ही होती है ना. ओके. Carnivorous animals who eat flesh खाते हैं वो carnivore. Lion, carnivore, we just speak carnivore. Omnivore, they eat both. Bear, human, crow humans भी आते हैं, हम लोग भी हैं omnivore में, हम animals को भी खाते हैं, हम plants को भी खाते हैं. Wow. Scavengers, एनिमल्स who eat the flesh of dead animals. ओके, जो मरे हुए एनिमल्स पे फीड करते हैं. वल्चर, वोल्व्स, हैना, ये सारे स्कैवेंजर्स होते हैं. ओके, इट्स जस्ट सीम्स लाइक एवेंजर्स ना. पैरासाइट्स, एनिमल्स who live on our inside other organism and derive nutrition from them. Fleas, etc. पैरासाइट्स क्या होते हैं? आपने देखा होगा कुछ बच्चों के सर में जुएं होती है ना, वो क्या होती है? वो पैरासाइट्स होती हैं. वो उनके सर में रहती हैं और उनका खून पीती है ना, तो वो पैरासाइट्स हैं. किसी और की बॉडी में रहना और उससे उधर ही फीड करना. राइट एनी 3 डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन रेप्टाइल्स एंड एम्फीबियंस. रेप्टाइल्स रेंगने वाले और एम्फीबियंस जो अलग होते हैं, जो रेंगते नहीं है. Reptiles mainly live on land. They lay eggs on the land. They breathe through their lungs. Amphibians can live both on land and water. They lay their eggs in the water. They breathe through their skin and lungs. Okay, children, I hope you can learn from them. Okay, we have more questions are there. How do these animals breathe? एम्फीबियंस कैसे ब्रीथ करते हैं? इंसेक्ट कैसे करते हैं? बर्ड्स कैसे करते हैं? एम्फीबियंस करते हैं स्किन और लंग्स से. लंग्स होते हैं उनमें, फेफड़े. इंसेक्ट्स करते हैं स्पाइरैकल्स से. ओह, नाइस नेम, स्पाइरैकल्स इंसेक्ट्स. बर्ड्स लंग्स एंड एयर सैक. Now differentiate between vertebrates and invertebrates. Example, vertebrates animals that have backbone. अच्छा बैकबोन सॉन्ग याद आ गया मुझे ना, तो बैकबोन. Animals that have backbone called vertebrates. Animals that do not have backbone, ये तो easy है, देखो दोनों याद हो रहे हैं. Not backbone invertebrate, backbone vertebrate. सो बैकबोन वाले जो नहीं होते, जिनकी बैकबोन होती है, फिश, बर्ड्स, एम्फीबियंस, रेप्टाइल्स. और जिनकी बैकबोन नहीं होती, इनवर्टिब्रेट, स्पाइडर, क्रैब्स, जेलीफिश, इंसेक्ट्स, स्टारफिश की भी कमर नहीं होती है ना, बैकबोन नहीं होती. कमर बोल रही हूँ, worms, etc. Okay children, I hope you learn from this video. Just see it again and again and it would revise you many things. Okay, and we have fun also in learning. Have a nice day.